Hi viewers, welcome to Sun Computer Academy. Hi kids. Today in this video we are going to watching about how to painting using in the computer. All the kids need to improve your any basic skill sets. One of the basic skill sets, painting. All the kids need to improve your painting skill sets. That is what I am going to help you about painting using in the computer. That only in this video itself I am going to explain to you kids. Are you ready? Definitely you would like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hello kids, in this video itself I am going to explain to you how to painting in the computers. It is very easy. You can draw any painting using in the computer. So that will I am going to explain you how to start painting. For computer painting, you don't need to any extra software installation required. This painting, MS Painting is default available in any computers. So no need to any special software installed in your computer. So this is one of the painting draw in the MS Paint. So first start where I am going to choose painting. There is left side the people who have been installed Windows 10, Windows 7, anything you will available Windows accessories. That accessories itself, paint, one of the tool for painting is available. For Windows 10 I am using this. I am going to open the paint software, painting tool. I open the painting tool. Yes, it is new blank page. That blank page itself, opened it. New page. Then I am going to home. There is many menus are available. The painting brush, zoom, eraser, pencil, brushes, painting brushes, and different type of shapes, different type of color palettes. Many useful painting tools are available in this main menu. So in the shapes itself, whatever you need to choose and select the shapes, it will shows that it will, you keep the cursor on that, you put the cursor on that, it will show what are all you can able to doing this. So if you want line, see, if you put the cursor, it will show, it will explain, it is called line. Next, if you put curve, curve means some bending corner, that and all you can use it. And oval shape, any shapes of oval shape drawing you can do this. And rectangle, rounded rectangle, different shapes, continuously you can draw any shapes. For that you can use it, that is polygon. And shapes, triangle, this is right triangle, this is diamond, this is pentagon shape, this is hexagon, this is pentagon means five faces, called pentagon. And hexagon, right arrow, this is hexagon is 6 face. How many faces are available, you check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pentagon for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. Then right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow, and 4-point star, 5-point star, 6-point star, and rounded rectangular call out, whole call out, cloud call out, heart shape, and lightning. So there is a place you can available, many shapes are available. You can start, keep on the screen and do any type of drawing, any type of painting. Now we can see this model picture. In this model picture itself, I just draw one scenery, simple scenery. In that I have drawn one house, sun, tree, grass and bushes, river, clouds and sun. So this entire picture, it shows you one scenery. So this is sample we can able to take for drawing the scenery picture. So I am opening this new, and home itself already I explained you the toolbox itself, what are and all available, the tools, color palette, shapes, brushes, many things I explained already. So now I am going to draw a house. How to draw the house? I take one rectangular shape, just I draw there, then one roof For roof shape, triangle. The triangle I am taking from that palette. Just I click it on that and take and keep it there. Keep it and right click and make enlarge it and drag it right side. Now the roof has been completed. Third thing, I am going to draw one door. For door also I am using this shape, triangle shape, rectangular shape. Yes, I make little bit adjustment. For adjustment, right click and drag it something left side. It will move. Then same rectangular shape itself, I put one window. So now I have drawn a house. Still, what are all pending? The house, the door, the house door, and steps. So for steps also same thing, rectangular shape I am using. Just draw it here, draw it here, draw it here. And I draw one more. That's all, I think so. Yes, pending is the grill, the door, the window grill. For window drill, what I am line only I am taking. So I draw the line, straight line. That means standing line. Yes, that also completed. Now I make coloring. I make coloring. For coloring I am going to color palette. For roof, brown color I choose that. For make color, this is fill with color. Click that area, choose this area. Yes. Then wall painting, I choose something orange, and pour that color on the wall. And window, I make something different color, red. This is house inside, rose color I make it, done. So still I am bending the door, house door. So I am using this, choosing this polygon. So I want to continuously make the before that I have to choose door color. Yes. Now I'm little bit make different color of the door. I'm using this color. No, that also it's not contrast. So that also I make it brown. So completely pour that. So brown color only I have to choose it. Yes. Now door is finished. Then steps are bending. For steps I make it different color. For anything you can choose it. So gray color I choose that. So now house painting is completed. Then I am going to draw now one sun. How to draw the sun? Sun which shape? Round shape. So I choose the round shape. First I put one round. Before that I choose color, outline color, black, I drawn one round, one circle, then this is polygon. Continuously I have to rays. You know that sun ultraviolet rays, and draw that ultraviolet rays only. Everything I am using by mouse itself. So this is I am choosing yellow. Once again I fill it that yellow rays. Yes, now sun is completed. Now one tree I draw that. For tree I am using this tool, line tool, and tree color brown. I'm choosing different brushes. I'm choosing oil brushes. So oil brushes. Now I'm using this pencil drawing for tree leaves and branches itself. So still I need to put some branches in the oil. Now I am taking pencil for leaves and branches. So the leaves and branches are over. After that, I'm going to draw cloud. Cloud also same shape we can use it. We can select it. And color I am choosing sky blue color. That color also I filled by same sky blue color. If you pour outside, that entire screen will pour the same color what you pour it. So you have to pour it inside the safe. So the color is over. Now I use this airbrush, that airbrush for grass. You could take time and do with more passion, then only you can able to do perfectly. Take your own time and do it perfectly. So I drawn this grass and bushes. And I am draw one river, that is for that I am taking watercolor brush. I'm choosing different brush for watercolor brush. For draw the water. Now it's completed, almost completed the drawing, and one kills. Once when I choose this, I'm choosing black. The hills also over. So once for all completed, you have to save your file as your name. How to save? The completed the drawing, completed the painting, just go to file, save as, choose JPEG picture. This option, second option you have to choose, and it will ask where do you want to save. You choose the place where you have to save on desktop. Choose the desktop, and for new name, whatever your new name, just you saved it. This is how how to painting on the computer using by paint, computer paint software. If you like this video, please subscribe.